Hey there. Today we're looking at the median of a triangle. So a median, if you remember a little bit from our notes that we took in class, a median is when you connect a midpoint to a vertex. So remember, a midpoint is exactly in the middle. So if C is the midpoint, then that means CQ and CR are congruent. Okay, so our median is this line SC, this segment. Now let's label the things that we know about this problem. QR, which is this entire length. Ooh, that doesn't look too good. I'm going to redraw that. QR is this entire length, and it is 60. Okay, and it says CR, which is right here, is 3x plus 6. Now, I know that CR is half. CR, this little segment here, the one I'm looking at, is half of the entire length, 60. So therefore, I know 3x plus 6 has to equal 30. Why does it have to equal 30? Because 30 is half of 60. I know that length of that segment is 30. Now, what does x need to be for that segment to be 30? So in this case, we are solving for x. All we have to do is subtract 6 from both sides. 3x equals 24. Divide by 3, and x is 8. How can I verify my answer? I would plug it back in. 3 times 8 plus 6. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 6 is 30. And remember, 30 is half of 60. Okay, so that's how we would find x. The only thing you really need to know about medians is that it does start at a midpoint, meaning those two segments QC and CR are congruent as they are marked on the picture.